Hi there, thank you for joining me today. So today I will be showing you how to make pastry cream. It's a rich and creamy custard typically used in bakeries and restaurants to fill treats such as eclairs, cream puffs, and it's also used to make tarts. It can be used to fill donuts or it can be used as cake filling. It's absolutely delicious. So come along with me and learn how to make pastry cream. Alright, let's get started. So let's start by warming up the milk. You want to pour the milk in a stainless steel pot and turn up your heat to about medium heat. You don't want it to be too hot. Next, you want to separate 2 eggs. Careful not to get any of the shells in your separated eggs and set them aside. Alright, so here I put the egg whites in the wrong bowl, so I'm pouring it back in the smaller bowl. And then I'm going to have the 2 egg yolks in the big clear bowl. So once you're done separating the eggs, you want to pour in your granulated sugar and whisk that vigorously until your eggs and your sugar are well mixed in together. Next, you want to add in your corn flour. Make sure you get all of that in there and then mix it thoroughly until it's nice and smooth. So you don't want to do this before your milk is warm because the sugar will cook the eggs. You want to do this as the milk is warming up, right? So once you're done mixing your corn flour into your egg and sugar mixture, you want to temper the eggs by adding a bit of the hot milk into the egg mixture. You want to whisk that thoroughly until all of that is mixed in. And then you want to pour it back into the milk. So remember again, you want that to be warm on a medium heat. You don't want it to be too hot. And then what you want to do now is keep whisking. You don't want to leave this alone. You want to keep whisking so you don't get lumps in the pastry cream. So here you'll see it starts to thicken at the bottom of the pot. That's exactly what you want it to look like. But do not stop whisking. Keep whisking so that your pastry cream will be nice and smooth once you're done. Right, so you see it's nice and thick. Once it has fully thickened, so keep going. Right there, so you'll tell once it's done thickening. Right, so once it's nice and thick, the next step would be to add your butter. So you want to turn off the heat and then add in your butter. So what the butter will do is it will drop the temperature a bit and then it'll make your pastry cream a little more silky. Also add in some vanilla extract and then whisk that again vigorously until everything is well incorporated. So you want a nice homogeneous mix. And again, this is not on any heat. So once you're done mixing, you want to pour this into a bowl. So scrape out all of that yummy goodness from the pot. And then you want to cover it. So press down your cling film or plastic wrap onto the surface of the pastry cream. This will prevent a skin from forming on your pastry cream. So you want to leave this out to cool down to room temperature and then place it into the fridge until you're ready to use. So that's it. That's how to make pastry cream. Really easy and it's absolutely yummy. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you try this out. Make yourself a couple of tarts. Taste it. It's really, really delicious. Well, enjoy the rest of your week. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Take care and see you next time. Bye.